Hi, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through using the Easy Google Fonts plugin. At this point we're using the Zonya theme for this particular video, and we've already installed the plugin from the repository, and it just adds this to the theme options. As you can see there, you've got this default typography section here. Now within the plugin itself, when you first look at it, you'll see here there's different sections which you control each font individually. We're just going to go ahead and assume you want to change all of them for, say, Open Sans. So within here, under font family, we can choose the font we want. I'll just switch here to Open Sans. You can see there straight away, immediately the text shows the difference there, the paragraph text. We can choose different styles, different weights and whatnot. I think 300 does look a lot better, but for now we just keep going through for each of the different heading types, changing this to the font you would like. Maybe worth mentioning to take care when doing so, just to make sure you don't get any adverse effects, because it is quite a powerful plugin. So if you were to just go through without checking what's going on, you may get some results you weren't quite expecting. Like the font weight here is quite light, so sometimes here where the font weight is quite heavy, you may accidentally override that, but I'll just keep going and changing them all for Open Sans. So there you go, you can see there, as soon as we've switched the heading 3 font, the font itself is changed, perfect, but what we may not want is the actual font weight to change. So if we pop that back to 700, pretty much the same for all of the heading fonts as well, because we want them to be quite fat in comparison to the paragraph text. Just keep going through all the heading types. Yeah, if we just hit save, if we take a look at the front of the site again, so yeah, we can see all of the fonts have changed, which is what we wanted. We can see that there are a couple of areas which haven't changed, and that's where we use our own custom selectors. If you have any trouble with this, I would just come and see us over the support forum. I'll be happy to help, but for the sake of the video, I'll just show you with our developer tools. We can simply right click, inspect the element that hasn't changed, and we can see here the selector that we want here is lead. So within the settings for the plugin, if we just get rid of the theme options, you can see here in the Google Fonts we can add our own custom font areas here, because although the plugin is very good by default, there are some areas, like say, which the theme will override. We'll just call this custom. So once we've actually given the control and name, we can tell it what CSS classes to apply to, which at the moment we want just lead. And sometimes what you may find is the plugin may have trouble in some cases with some themes overriding the font. It's not a problem. The plugin can force itself to override all plugins by using the important rule. You don't need to worry about that. Basically, if you find that when you're creating custom controls like this, if it's not taking effect, tick this box and you should find that it should make a big difference. So if we head back to the theme options, you can see now we've added our own custom control here, which controls this particular section of text here, this style of text. So if we change that again to Open Sans, there you go, you can see straight away we've got full control. We can make it italic, we can make it underline, whatever you fancy. You've got full control from here onwards. If you have any further questions relating to the theme, then obviously come and see us at the support forum. Any issues with the plugin, please see the plugins author themselves. Thanks very much for watching.